OnePlay is a cloud gaming platform based in India that we classify as a pick up and play, own it, play it cloud gaming platform in which you have to own the games to play them on this service. This would be very similar to other services like GeForce Now. With one subscription, you'll be able to play games like Call of Duty, Starfield, Genshin Impact, and many others as long as you own the game. Right now, OnePlay is only available in India, but they are planning to expand to the South Pacific soon. They are also planning to come to the US and EU sometime next year. So, if you're in India right now, use the link in the description to get 10% off with your first purchase. Let's get started with OnePlay. OnePlay offers instant access to your favorite games through the cloud at 1080p 60 FPS with 4K coming very soon, depending on subscription type. As of now, OnePlay supports a wide variety of devices including Macs, Windows PCs, and Android devices including Android TV. They will have web browser access coming soon, which should help out iOS and Chromebook users. OnePlay is built around a decentralized cloud streaming network. You'll be able to rent your own server in this environment. Contact them for more details. Also, make sure to check their roadmap for progress details. To get started, you will have to create an account. I suggest doing this on the browser because you'll have to verify your account with your phone number, which will open a browser anyway. Once your account is verified, you will need to download the app to play on the service. Feel free to go back to the site and go to the downloads page. Choose the app for your device. I'll be using the Windows app for this tutorial. Once the install is complete, you'll see the icon on your desktop. Log in with your newly created account. The app will run an initial speed test to see how well suited you are for the service. Having under 20 milliseconds of latency with a download speed of over 20 megabits per second is ideal. They'll also want you to choose several games for your library for your first login. After that, you'll be met with the OnePlay dashboard, where they have most of their most popular games you can choose from. Remember, you actually need to own these games from various third-party distributors like Steam and Epic Games. Once you're in the OnePlay app, you'll need to sign up for a subscription to play your games. Click on the account menu at the top right and hit subscriptions. If you're outside of India, you'll get a coming soon message. If you're in India, you'll have the option to choose from hourly and monthly subscriptions. Choose the one that's right for you and you'll have a couple of payment methods, either BillDesk or the Stripe payment method. Finish your transaction and you'll be able to play any game you own on the platform. To start playing a game, choose one that you own and want to play, like Starfield. This is only available on Steam, but for a game like GTA 5, you'll have the option to choose either the Steam or Epic Games version. If you hit the Show Gameplay settings before launch, you'll get to set the settings for your stream. The game loading screen will give you some good tips you'll need to know. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Alt-S to show in-game streaming stats, and most importantly, Ctrl-Shift-Alt-Q to quit your stream. If you're using a controller, hitting Start Select L1 and R1 will quit your stream as well. Sign in with your third-party credentials to play your game. You'll be able to play the game with mouse and keyboard or your choice of gamepad compatible with your device. I'm using an Xbox controller here. Once you are done with the game, make sure you end your game properly in-game first. This way your game platform can enable cloud saves, especially on Steam games. Your game progress may not save properly if this is not done. Once your cloud saves are uploaded, use the proper combination of keys on your device as explained earlier to quit your stream. Once back on the dashboard, hit terminate to completely end your game stream. OnePlay will then offer you a survey to take for feedback, if you decide to do it. Feel free to choose another game or close the app altogether. OnePlay is a newly released cloud gaming platform with tons of potential to do serious battle in the cloud gaming industry, especially in the pick up and play genre. We'll be looking forward for them to come to the US so we can play all the games they have here. In the meantime, if you're in India, use the link in the description to save 10% on your first purchase. If you like this getting started video of OnePlay, give us a like. Also, make sure to join as a member of the channel or join our Patreon and Discord in the links below. And above all else, make sure to subscribe to keep it locked right here at the only place where you can do battle in gaming heaven, Cloud Gaming Battle.